Hello and welcome to the most awaited FTR 3.0 by competition community, especially for English medium students. My name is Prokhraj Giri, and in this FTR session, I'll be dealing with the Chhattisgarh General Studies. And in this lecture, we will be looking on to the Bastar division of Chhattisgarh. But before starting, let me tell you that we at Competition Community are organizing weekly test for you people. So what you people have to do, you have to register yourself for the test by Friday evening so that you people can write the test on Sunday. Now the registrations for the test have to be done on our website. So after the announcement, let's start with the questions. Here we have our first question, which actually says, Sakal Narayan Caves is situated in which district of Chhattisgarh? Now, looking at the options, we have Bijapur, we have Sukma, we have Kanker, and we have Kondagaon. Now, this is actually the map of this Bastar division. And in the Bastar division, we have some of the very important caves. The first cave that I'm talking about is situated in the Bijapur district. The name is Nada Palli Caves. Then we have Ava Palli Caves, once again in the Bijapur district. And the third cave in the Bijapur district is Sakal Narayan Cave. So we have Nada Palli, Ava Palli and Sakal Narayan Caves all in this Bijapur district of the Bastar division. In the Bastar district of this Bastar division, we actually have Kutumsar Caves and we have Kailash Cave. Now please don't get confused. We have two Kailash Caves in Chhattisgarh. One is in the Bastar district and second is in the Jashpur district of the Sarguja division of Chhattisgarh. So coming back to the question, we have seen this Sakal Narayan Cave in the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. Hence, the correct answer for this question number 1 would be option number A. So this was all about question number 1. Now we have question number 2. River Berudi is a tributary to. Options are Narangi, Sabri, Indravati and none of the above. Now talking about river Indravati, it actually enters Chhattisgarh through this Bastar district and flows entirely inside this Bastar division of Chhattisgarh, and finally it forms a confluence with river Godavari. So this is river Godavari and this is river Indravati. River Indravati originates from Munger Hill in the Kalahandi district of Odisha. Now, there is this river Berudi, which actually originates from this Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. And this river Berudi happens to be a left bank tributary of river Indravati. So now we know that this river Berudi is actually left bank tributary of river Indravati. So coming back to the question, we now know that river Berudi is actually a tributary of river Indravati. Hence, the correct answer for this question number 2 would be option C, Indravati. So this was all about question number 2. Next we have question number 3, and in this question number 3, in the first column we have waterfalls and in the second column we have districts. In the waterfalls, we have Handawada Indul, we have Charre Marre, we have Fulpad Indul, and we have Pratapgiri Falls. In the districts, we have Narayanpur, Dantewada, Kanker, and Sukma districts. Looking at this Bastar division, we have some of the very famous waterfalls in Chhattisgarh in this Bastar division. So actually, in this Kanker district, we have Malaj Kundam or Malachkundam Falls on the river Dudh. Then we also have Charre Marre Falls in the Kanker district. In the Narayanpur district, we have Handawada Indul Falls. Now, in the books, you will find this Handawada Indul in the Bijapur district. But please take it in the Narayanpur district, as the PSC has considered this in the Narayanpur district. In the Bijapur district, we have Bogtum Falls. In the Sukma district, we have Gupteshwar and Rani Darha Falls on river Shabri. In the Sukma district only, we have this Pratapgiri Falls. In the Dantewada district, we have Suratgarh Falls on river Dankini. Plus we have Fulpad Indul Falls. We also have Sat Dhara Falls in the Dantewada district on river Indravati. In this Bastar district, we have Chitrakot waterfall, which happens to be the widest waterfall of Chhattisgarh and in fact of India also. We have Tirathgarh Falls, once again in the Bastar district. Plus we have Medni Ghumar, Tamda Ghumar, we have Mahadev Ghumar, we have Madwa Falls. All of these falls in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. So these are some of the important waterfalls. I said some of the important. That doesn't mean that these are the waterfalls that are present in the Bastar division. No, they are not the only ones present in the Bastar division. There are many other waterfalls which happen to be present in Bastar division apart from these waterfalls. Now coming back to the question and forming pairs. We can match Handawada Indul now with the Narayanpur district. Charre Marre can be matched with Kanker. Fulpad Indul can be matched with Dantewada, and Pratapgiri can be matched with Sukma. So the pairs that we have are A1, B3, C2 and D4. Now matching the pairs that we have generated with the options that we have, we find in this option number D, we have this A1, B3, C2 and D4, which actually is the same as the pair that we have generated, and hence option number D would be the correct option for this question number 3. Now next is question number 4. Once again we have matched the columns. We have archaeological sites in one column and we have districts in one column. Now talking about the archaeological sites, the most important one is Barsur, and this Barsur is situated in the Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh. Then we have Korkoti. This Korkoti is situated in the Kondagaon district. You will not find Korkoti in books because it is one of the newest archaeological sites of Chhattisgarh. And we have Goti Tola in the Kanker district. We have already studied about Goti Tola in the earlier FTR videos. So these are some of the important archaeological sites in the Bastar division. Coming back to the question, Goti Tola can be matched with Kanker, Korkoti can be matched with Kondagaon, and Barsur can be matched with Dantewada. So we have A3, we have B1 and we have C2. Now matching this with the option number C. In the option number C, we have A3, B1 and C2, which is exactly same as the pairs that we have generated, and hence option number C would be the correct option for this question number 4. Now in question number 5, we have certain statements and we have to tell which of these statements are true. So the first statement that we have is Indravati National Park is situated in the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. Second statement says Indravati National Park is the only national park of Chhattisgarh in which Project Tiger is implemented. Third statement says Indravati National Park is the oldest national park of Chhattisgarh, and the fourth one says Indravati National Park is the largest national park of Chhattisgarh. So let me tell you a couple of things about this Indravati National Park. First of all, this Indravati National Park is actually situated in the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. This Indravati National Park was actually declared in the year 1978. And with year 1978, it happens to be the oldest national park of Chhattisgarh. Let me tell you, the area is approximately equal to 1258 square kilometers. And with 1258, it happens to be the second largest national park of Chhattisgarh. And let me also tell you, it was in the year 1982-83 that Project Tiger was actually declared in this Indravati National Park for the sake of conservation of tigers. And at that time, it was actually the only Project Tiger declared in Chhattisgarh, and it also happens to be the only national park of Chhattisgarh to be declared under Project Tiger. So these are some of the important things about Indravati National Park. Now coming back to the question, we have Indravati National Park is situated in the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. Yes, it is correct. Second statement, Indravati National Park is the only national park of Chhattisgarh in which Project Tiger is implemented. Yes, it is the only national park. However, there are 3 locations in Chhattisgarh in which this Project Tiger is implemented. First is Indravati National Park, second is Achanak Mar, and third is Sita Nadi Udanti Wildlife Sanctuaries. So Achanak Mar once again is a wildlife sanctuary. However, it is also a biosphere reserve. Sita Nadi and Udanti are wildlife sanctuaries. So Indravati is the only national park in which this Project Tiger is being implemented. Indravati National Park is the oldest national park of Chhattisgarh. We have already seen this. But still, let me tell you, there are 3 national parks in Chhattisgarh. First is Indravati, second is Guru Ghansidas, and third is Kangir Valley. Indravati was declared in the year 1978, Guru Ghansidas was declared in the year 1981, and Kangir Valley was declared in the year 1982. So this Indravati National Park is the oldest national park of Chhattisgarh. So this statement is also correct. Fourth one is Indravati National Park is the largest national park of Chhattisgarh. So the area that we have seen of Indravati National Park is 1258 square kilometers. However, Guru Ghansidas National Park with the area 1441 square kilometers is the largest national park of Chhattisgarh. So this statement is actually incorrect. So which of these statements are true? Statement number 1, 2 and 3 are true. So what we have to do? We have to actually select an option which states 1, 2, 3 are true. So looking at the option A, we have this 1, 2, 3. Hence, option number A would be the correct option for this question number 5. Now coming to the 6th question we have. Which of the following are the tributaries of river Indravati? First is Indravati, then Kotri, then Chintavagu, then Malgher, then Gudra, then Bagh. So this was river Indravati as you have already seen. Now talking about some of the tributaries. The first tributary which actually originates from this Makdi Tehsil of Kondagaon is river Narangi. Now, as we move ahead, we have another tributary which is Gudra, and this river Gudra originates from Narayanpur. Again, we have river Kotri which actually originates from Rajnathgaon. Then we have river Chintavagu. This Chintavagu river originates from this Bijapur district. Now, this was river Godavari as already told you in the earlier question. So, there is this tributary of Godavari which is known as Vainganga, and river Bagh happens to be the tributary of river Vainganga. This river Bagh originates from the Kulzhari hill from the Rajnathgaon district of Chhattisgarh. Once again, we have river Malgher, and this river Malgher is actually tributary to river Shabri, which originates once again from Odisha. So, which of the rivers are tributaries to Indravati? We have seen Narangi, we have seen Gudra, we have seen Kotri, and we have seen Chintavagu. So, coming back to the question, We have seen Narangi was a tributary of Indravati. The same thing with Kotri, the same thing with Chintavagu, and the same thing with Gudra. However, we have seen Malgher was a tributary of river Shabri and Bagh was a tributary of river Vainganga. So, the correct option has to be A, B, C and E. Looking at the options that we have, in the option number B, we have this A, B, C, E. And hence, this option number B would be the correct option for question number 6. So, in this manner, the 6th question is also completed. Next, we have a 7th question which says, which of the following statements are false? So, first statement, Barsur was the capital of Chindak Nagvanshis. It is situated in the Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh. It is known as the city of temples and ponds in the Bastar area. And the 4th statement says, famous Battisa temple is situated in Barsur. Now, this is actually the map of Bastar division, and in this Gidam Tehsil is Barsur, which is one of the famous archaeological sites in Chhattisgarh. And this happens to be situated on the banks of river Indravati. So we have Barsur and we have that it is situated on the banks of river Indravati. This Barsur was actually capital to the famous Chindak Nag dynasty of Bastar. Let me tell you, there are many famous temples in Barsur. 2 of them are Mama Bhanja temple and Battisa temple. So coming back to the question, Barsur was the capital of Chindak Nagvanshis. Yes. Situated in the Dantewada district. Yes. It was known as the city of temples and ponds in the Bastar area. So there are references that in ancient times there were 146 ponds and temples in this Barsur, and hence it was known as the city of temples and ponds. 4th is the famous Battisa temple is situated in Barsur. So I've already told you that there are 2 famous temples which are situated in this Barsur. First is Battisa temple and the second is Mama Bhanja temple. The Battisa temple is so known because the mandapa or the top portion of this temple is actually supported by 32 pillars. So this 32 in Hindi is known as Battis, and hence the temple is known as Battisa temple. So the first statement that it was the capital of Chindak Nagvanshis is correct. Second statement, situated in the Dantewada district, is also correct. Third statement, known as city of temples and ponds in Bastar area, is also correct. And the 4th statement, famous Battisa temple is situated in Barsur, is also correct. So all of the 4 statements are correct. However, we have to tell which of the statements are false. So in this case, actually, none of the statements are false. So what is the option that we'll have? We'll try and match the options. So option number A says 2 and 4 are correct. It is actually wrong. Option B says 2, 3, 4 are correct. It is also wrong. C says 3 and 4 are correct. It is also wrong. D says none of the above. It doesn't imply actually that none of these statements are true. However, it is only the option which says none of the above. That means none of the above are actually matching with what we have generated. And hence, option number D would be the correct option for this question number 7. Now, next we have once again match the columns. This time around, we have districts and we have temples. Now, looking at the map of this Bastar division, in this Kondagaon district, we have a location named as Tata Mari. And in this Tata Mari, we have this famous Mahalakshmi temple. In the Bijapur district, we have Bhairamgarh and we have Bhairamdev temple in Bhairamgarh. In the Narayanpal village of this Bastar district, we have the famous Narayanpal temple. And in the Keralapal village of this Sukma district, we have Chitmitten Devi temple. So these are some of the famous temples in the Bastar division. And not to forget Ma Danteshwari temple of this Dantewada city. So coming back to the question, we can actually map Kondagaon with Mahalakshmi temple, Bijapur with Bhairam Dev temple, Sukma with Chitmitten Devi temple, and Bastar with Narayanpal temple. So the pairs that we have generated are A1, B2, C3 and D4. Matching this with the options that we have in the option number A, A1, B2, C3 and D4. Hence, option number A would be the correct option for this question number 8. Now, coming on to the question number 9. We have confluences and we have rivers. So, this was actually the map in which we dealt about the rivers. I'll tell you about the confluences, that the confluence of this Narangi and Indravati is at Narayanpal village in the Bastar district. The confluence of Godavari and river Indravati is in Bhadrakali. And let me tell you, the confluence of this Godavari and Shabri is actually at Kunavaram. Kunavaram is in Andhra Pradesh. And we have the confluence of two rivers, Shankini and river Dankini at Dantewada. So these are some of the important confluences. Now coming back to the question, Dantewada can be matched with Shankini, Dankini. Narayanpal can be matched with Indravati and Narangi. Bhadrakali can be matched with Indravati and Godavari. And finally, Kunavaram can be matched with Godavari and Shabri. So we have A2, B3, C1 and D4. So matching these pairs that we have generated with the options that we have. So we find A2, B3, C1 and D4 in the option number B, and hence this option number B would be the correct option for this question number 9. Now finally we come to the ultimate or the last question of this video, wherein we have to once again match the columns, but this time around we have districts and we have hills. So what are the districts that we have? We have Kondagaon, we have Kanker, we have Narayanpur and we have Bijapur. And what are the hills that we have? We have Albaka, we have Chote Dongar, we have Gadia and we have Bade Dongar. So this is actually the map of the Bastar division. In the Bastar division, in the Bijapur district, we have Albaka hills. In the Dantewada district, we have this Bela Dilla hills and Nandi Raj with a height of 1210 meters happens to be the highest peak of this Bela Dilla hills, and it also happens to be the second highest peak of Chhattisgarh. In this Narayanpur district, we have Chote Dongar. In the Kondagaon district, we have Bade Dongar. In the Kanker district, we have Gadia hills. So these are some of the important hills in the Bastar division of Chhattisgarh. Now coming back to the question, Kondagaon can be matched with Bade Dongar, Kanker can be matched with Gadia, Narayanpur can be matched with Chote Dongar, and Bijapur can be matched with Albaka. So we have A4, B3, C2 and D1. So these are the pairs that we have generated. Now matching these pairs with the options, we find in option number D we have A4, B3, C2 and D1, and hence option number D would be the correct option for this question number 10. And in this manner we have completed all the 10 important and conceptual questions from the Bastar division of Chhattisgarh. And I'll be back with the history section of Chhattisgarh in my next video, wherein I'll start with the ancient history of Chhattisgarh. So I hope you people would have liked my video, and I shall meet you guys in my coming videos. तब तक के लिए thank you and take care.
CGPSC की संपूर्ण तैयारी के लिए कंपटीशन कम्युनिटी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डेली अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।